In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change text size in AutoCAD drawings. We will focus on two common needs: resizing a single piece of text and adjusting the text size used in your dimensions so your drawings stay legible and professional. Let's start with individual text. If you have a single note or label that needs to be larger or smaller, select that text in your drawing. With it highlighted, you can right-click and choose Properties, or simply type CH and press Enter to open the Properties palette. In the Properties palette, look for the Text section. Find the field labeled Text Height. Click in that field, type the new height you want, and press Enter. You will see the change immediately in the drawing, which makes it easy to fine-tune. If the result isn't what you expected, use Undo and try a different value. Zoom in and out to judge readability, and pick a height that matches the scale and purpose of your sheet, so the text is clear without overpowering other elements. Now let's adjust dimension text, which is controlled by dimension styles. If your dimension numbers look too small or too large, type dim style on the command line and press Enter to open the Dimension Style Manager. In the list, select the style you are actually using in the drawing. Then click Modify. In the Modify Dimension Style dialog, go to the Text tab. Here, set a new value in the Text Height field to directly control the size of the dimension text. This is the most precise way to standardize how dimensions read across your entire drawing. If you want to scale all parts of the dimension together, arrows, extension lines, and text switch to the Fit tab and adjust the overall scale. Increasing this value makes the entire dimension annotation larger in unison. Decreasing it makes everything smaller. When you are satisfied, click OK to close the dialog. Then click Set Current, so new dimensions you create will follow this style. Existing dimensions that use that style will update to reflect your changes, keeping your documentation consistent. That's it. Thanks for watching.